Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Clair Obscur Expedition 33 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box. And now just type in Clair Obscur Expedition 33 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and you will need to enter your date of birth to confirm your age. You can now check out the trailer as well as the reviews that have been left by users. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Now click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Now you have the option to use your Steam Wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Finally, fill up your credentials as well as your billing information, and after you complete the payment, the game will be added to your library. Now you can complete the installation in just a few clicks. And after it is done, you can start enjoying the Clair Obscur Expedition 33 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.